we got this awesome outdoor wall light. Let's do it.
We got this awesome outdoor wall light. Now I'm going to open up this box. Here's everything out of the box here. You get some great manual instructions, help you with installation, how to operate. And here is some mounting things to help you go ahead and install it. Installing is not hard at all. It's pretty straightforward as well. You also get 2 light bulbs that come with this model, which is a plus. That is awesome. And you can screw this in through the bottom, which I'll show you in a little bit. And then now you have your nice unit, your outdoor wall light, nice high quality material there. Now what I like about this light is that it has a nice modern design. It's sleek, black finish with clear glass panels for a nice classy look. It's nice and weatherproof and rust proof, which is cool because it's built out of nice sturdy aluminum to withstand the rain, snow, and heat. And it's bright and customizable, and it works with E26 bulbs all the way up to 100 watts, which is pretty awesome.